class I am going to teach you letters, and I am going to teach you its formation and sounds of the letters with examples. So are you all ready? I want you all to sit straight, cross your arms and sit straight, and I want you to listen carefully, then only you will be able to write the letters. Okay, are you all ready? So shall we start this class with a clap? Shall we start? Now I want you all to clap faster and louder. Faster, 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 louder, louder, louder. Yes, now slow. I don't want to hear the sound, only the clap action. Slow. Yes. Now louder. Faster. Now. Yes, very good. So shall we start the class? Are you all ready? I hope you all are energetic now. Okay. So the first letter is A. Mother A, baby A. So shall we see the formation of mother A? Are you all ready? Now look here. Look at the top. Can you see a dot? Yes, we are going to write A from that dot, from the top. So first draw a right slanting line. From that dot you have to start. Right slanting line. Yes. Now come down slowly. Yes, that is right slanting line. Now from the same dot you have to draw a left slanting line. Again the left slanting line. Can you see that? Yes, that is left slanting line. Now a sleeping line in between. In between both the slanting lines, you have to draw a sleeping line. See? Can you see? Sleeping line. Yes. So this forms letter A. A says A for ant. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for alligator. The next letter is, yes, B. So, mother B, baby B. Mother B, baby B. Now shall we see the formation for letter B? Again, can you see the dot on the top? Yes, from there you have to draw a standing line. From the dot, come down, standing line. Now we will draw left curve, left open curve. First, left open curve from the dot. Yes, and again left open curve to the bottom also. Yes, so this forms letter B. Now B says B. B. B for ball. B for bat. B for basket. B for balloon. Now the next letter is C. C. Mother C, baby C. Yes, now shall we see how to form a letter C? Again from the dot. Can you see the dot on the top? Yes. Now you have to draw a right open curve. From that dot, take a turn, come down. Yes, right open curve. So it forms a letter C. Yes, C says T. T. C for cat. C for cup. C for cap. C for camel. The next letter is, what comes after C? D. Yes. Mother D, baby D. Now, shall we see the formation? Are you all ready? Again, can you see the dot? Yes. So, from the dot, you have to draw a standing line. From the dot, then you have to come down straight. Yes, standing line. Then you have to draw a left curve. What? Left curve. Again, from the dot you have to start. Top of that standing line. So start from the top. Take a turn slowly. Finish it to the bottom of that standing line. Again, from the dot, take a turn and come down slowly. Left curve. This is D. D says D. D. D for dog. D for drum. D for duck. D for doll. Very good. Now, what is the next letter? E. Yes. Mother E, baby E. Now, shall we see the formation? Again, the dot, you have to start everything from that dot. So, you have to draw a standing line. From the dot, come down, straight. Yes, standing line. Now you have to draw 3 sleeping lines. First, on the top of that standing line. Can you see? Yes, sleeping line. Then another sleeping line in between. Now the last sleeping line at the bottom of the standing line, you have to draw a sleeping line. Yes, another at the bottom. This forms letter E. E says A. E for egg. E for elephant. E for ear. E for envelope. Now, children, there is a worksheet in the description below. Go to the description and click on the link. Download the worksheet and practice. Now, shall we continue with the video? Now, which letter comes after E? F. Yes. Mother F, baby F. Now, shall we see the formation? Again, the dot, you have to start everything from that dot. So, you have to draw a standing line. From the dot, come down, straight. Yes, standing line. Now, you have to draw sleeping lines. First, on the top of that standing line. Can you see? Yes, sleeping line. Then another sleeping line in between. Yes, this forms letter F. Yes, F says F. F. F for fish. F for frog. F for fan. F for feather. Yes. Now what is the next letter? What comes after F? Yes, G. G. Mother G, baby G. Now, shall we see the formation? Again from the dot. This time you have to draw a right open curve. Look there, look carefully. From the dot, turn, come down to the bottom. This is right open curve. Then a sleeping line and a standing line. Again, from the dot, right open curve, then sleeping line, standing line. This forms letter G. G says G. G for goat. G for gun. G for guitar. G for gate. Okay, now what is the next letter? What comes after G? H. Yes, H. Mother H, baby H. Now, shall we see the formation? Again from the dot, you have to draw one standing line. Come down straight from the top. Yes. Then, one more standing line. Again from the top, come down straight to bottom. Yes. Now, a sleeping line in between. Sleeping line in between. Can you see? Standing line, one more standing line and a sleeping line. This forms letter H. And what sound H makes? H says H. H. H for hen. H for house. H for hat. H for helicopter. Okay, now which letter comes after H? I. Yes, mother I, baby I. Now shall we see the formation? It's very easy. So again from the dot, you have to draw a standing line. From the dot, come down straight to the bottom. Yes, like that. Now again, on the top of that standing line, you have to draw a sleeping line. Look there. Sleeping line. Yes. Then one more sleeping line to the bottom of that standing line. Sleeping line. Yes. Standing line. Sleeping line on the top and a sleeping line at the bottom. This forms I. I says E. E. I for insect. I for igloo. I for ink pot. I for ice cream. Okay, now what is the next letter? J. Yes. So this is mother J, baby J. Now shall we see the formation? Okay, again on the top there is a dot. You have to start from that dot. Now from the dot, come down straight. Come down straight. Slowly from the top, come down straight. Now from the bottom, you have to take a turn towards your left. Just look there. See, same you have to do like this. From the top, come down straight, slowly, and then take a turn towards your left. Yes, now you have to draw a sleeping line on the top of the standing line. Sleeping line. Yes, this is letter J. J says J. J. J for jug. J for jelly. J for jump. J for jam. What is the next letter? K. Yes, mother K and baby K. Now, shall we see the formation? It's very easy. Now, again, from the dot, draw a standing line. Slowly, come down straight. Yes, standing line. Now again from the top you have to draw a right slanting line till the middle of that standing line. Okay, so from the top, right slanting line, stop in the middle of that standing line like that. Yes, then again you have to draw a left slanting line from that middle of that standing line. Again, yes, that is left slanting line. So this forms letter K. K says T. T. K for kettle. K for kangaroo. K for kite. K for king. Yes, now the next letter is L. Yes, L. Mother L, baby L. So children, can you see? Strokes are very important. If you learn strokes, then only you will be able to write letters. So, I want you all to go and watch our stroke videos. Link is in the description. Okay, now let's continue. L formation. From the dot, again you have to draw a standing line. Come down straight. Yes. Now you have to draw a sleeping line at the bottom of that standing line. Okay? How? Look. Like that. Sleeping line. Standing line from the top. And then a sleeping line. This forms letter L. L says L. L. L for lion. L for lollipop. L for lemon. L for ladder. Now what is the next letter? M. Mother M, baby M. Now shall we see the formation? Okay, again, dot. From the dot you have to draw a standing line. From the dot, come down straight, standing line. Now you have to draw a left slanting line from the top of that standing line. Again, a left slanting line. Look there. Yes, a left slanting line. Then you have to continue and draw the right slanting line. From the bottom, you have to go up, right slanting line. Then again you have to draw a standing line. Yes, can you see? This forms a letter M. M. M says M. M. M for moon. M for mouse. M for mango. M for mat. Yes. Now, what is the next letter? What comes after M? N. Yes. Mother N, baby N. Now, shall we see the formation? Again, look at that dot. Again, you have to draw a standing line. From the top, come down straight. Standing line. Yes. Now, you have to draw a left slanting line from the top. Yes. Left slanting line. Look there. Now, from the bottom of that left slanting line, you have to draw a standing line, but this time okay. So, see, just like that. Yes. So, this forms letter N. N says N. N. N for nose. N for nest. N for nut. N for needle. Now what comes after N? O. O. Mother O, baby O. Yes, now the formation is very easy. Again, from the top, from the dot you have to start and you have to draw a circle. Simple. See, from the dot, draw a circle. Yes. Again, you have to end it on that dot. Yes, that is O. O says O. O. O for octopus. O for owl. O for ostrich. O for orange. Now what is the next letter? P. Mother P, baby P. Yes, now let's look at the formation. Again, from the dot, draw a standing line. From the top, come down straight to the bottom. Yes. Now, you have to draw a left curve from the top of that standing line. Left curve, turn around and you have to stop at the middle of that standing line. You don't have to go all the way down. Yes, like that. Yes, so that forms a letter P. P says P. P. P for penguin. P for parrot. P for pen. P for pan. Yes, now what comes after P? Q. Q. Mother Q, baby Q. Now shall we see the formation? Again, you have to draw a circle. You have to start from that dot. Draw a circle slowly. Look there. Yes. Now you have to draw a small left slanting line to the bottom. Just like that. Yes, a circle, then a small left slanting line to the bottom. That forms Q. 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 Q says Qua. Qua. Q for Queen. Q for quiet. Q for quilt. Q for question mark. Now what is the next letter? R. Yes. Mother R, baby R. Now shall we see the formation? Again you have to draw a standing line from the dot. Draw a standing line, slowly, come down straight. Yes, standing line. Now you have to draw a left curve, but you have to stop in the middle, just like letter P. Okay, so draw a left curve. Yes, and then from that again you have to continue from the middle and draw a left slanting line till the bottom. See? Yes, standing line, left curve and a left slanting line. That forms letter R. R says R. R. R for rat. R for ring. R for rose. R for rabbit. Now what is the next letter? S. S. Mother S, baby S. Now how are you going to write? Look at the formation. Again from the dot you have to draw a right curve. Draw a right curve and stop in the middle. Don't go all the way down. See, just like that. Right curve. Then take a turn. You have to take a turn and draw a left curve. See? So this forms letter S. S says S. S. S for snake. S for salt. S for sandwich. S for skin. Now what is the next letter? T. Yes, T. So this is mother T, baby T. Now the formation is very easy. Look there. Again from the dot you have to draw a standing line. See? Slowly draw a standing line. Yes. So you remember how you wrote I? same way you have to write T, but you don't have to draw a sleeping line at the bottom. Okay? So, standing line, then a sleeping line on top of that standing line. See? Just like that. Yes, that forms letter T. T says T. T. T for tree. T for truck. T for table. T for turtle. Now what is the next letter? U. Yes. Mother U, baby U. Now the formation is very easy. You remember the up curve? Yes, that is U. Again, from the dot, you have to come down. See, slowly come down. Take a turn. And then go up. Okay? Understood? The up curve is called U. See? Same way. So that forms U. U says U for uniform. U for umbrella. So what is the next letter? V. Yes. Mother V, baby V. Now look at the formation. From the dot, you have to draw a slanting line, left slanting line. See? Yes, left slanting line. Now continue from that bottom of that left slanting line. You have to go up and draw a right slanting line. Okay? From the bottom of that left slanting line, see? Go up and draw a right slanting line. So that becomes V. V. Yes. V says V. V. V for bus. V for van. V for vegetables. V for violin. Now what is the next letter? W. Yes, very good. So this is Mother W, baby W. Now look at the formation. Again, from the dot, draw a slanting line, a left slanting line. See? Yes, just like that. A left slanting line. Now again, from the bottom of that left slanting line, you have to go up and draw a right slanting line. See? From the bottom of that left slanting line, slowly go up and draw a right slanting line. Now again, from that right slanting line top, you have to, from the top of that right slanting line, you have to come down. You have to draw a left slanting line there. See, just like that. You finished with the right slanting line, right? You went on to the top. So this forms letter W. Yes. W says W. W for watermelon. W for watch. Okay, now what is the next letter? X. Yes, X. And this is mother X, baby X. Now look at the formation. It's very easy. It looks like this. See? Again from the dot, draw a left slanting line. See? Left slanting line. Then again on top of that left slanting line, you have to draw a right slanting line. Easy? See? Again on top of that left slanting line, you have to draw right slanting line. Just like that. So it becomes X. X. X says X. X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. Now, what is the next letter? Y. Yes. Mother Y, baby Y. Now, shall we look at the formation? Okay. So, look there. First, what you have to do? You have to draw a V and then a standing line. Very easy. So, shall we see? Again, from the dot, draw a left slanting line. But you don't have to come all the way down. Stop in the middle. Okay? A small left slanting line you have to draw. See? A left slanting line. Then from that left slanting line bottom, you have to continue and draw a right slanting line, and you have to go from bottom to top. See? Just like that. Yes. Left slanting line, stop in the middle, then continue with the right slanting line, go on the top. Yes, now you have to draw a standing line in between. See, just like that. This forms letter Y. Y. Y says Y. Y. Y for yogurt. Y for yak. Now, what is the next letter? This is the last letter. What is it? Z or Z. Z, you can say, call it as Z or Z. Both are correct. So, this is mother Z, baby Z. Now, shall we see the formation? Okay, again from the dot, draw a sleeping line. Yes, a sleeping line. From the dot, draw a sleeping line. See, look there. Just like that. A sleeping line slowly. Now, from the end of that sleeping line, you have to draw a right slanting line. See? Right slanting line, you have to come down, and then from the bottom of that right slanting line, you have to draw a sleeping line again. See, just like that. Sleeping line, right slanting line, then a sleeping line. It makes Z. Z. Now, Z says Z. Z. Yes. Z for zoo. Z for zip. Z for zigzag. Z for zebra. Okay, children. So this was the video about alphabets. I hope you all have learned the formation with the sound and examples. Please keep watching and keep learning. Thank you. See you next time.